Understanding, Take My Word for It, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, take my word for it. This expression is commonly used in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. We'll explore its meaning, how to use it, and some examples to clarify the concept. Let's get started. The phrase, take my word for it, is used when the speaker wants the listener to believe or trust them without requiring further evidence or proof. It's as if the speaker is saying, you can rely on my honesty or knowledge on this matter. This phrase often comes into play in situations where providing evidence is difficult or unnecessary for the speaker. You can use, take my word for it, in various contexts, including casual conversations, advice giving, and sometimes in more formal settings. Here are some scenarios where this phrase might be applicable. Offering advice based on personal experience. Sharing information that you're confident about but might be hard to prove on the spot. Reassuring someone about the reliability of a third party or a product. Remember, while this phrase can be very persuasive, it's also based on the speaker's credibility. If you're known to be trustworthy, people are more likely to take your word for it. To help you better understand how to use, take my word for it, let's look at some examples. 1. In a conversation about a new restaurant, you have to try the steak there. It's the best in town. Just take my word for it. 2. While recommending a book, I know it doesn't look very interesting from the cover, but take my word for it, it's a fantastic read. 3. During a discussion about traveling, you won't need more than a day to explore that town. Take my word for it, I've been there. These examples show how the phrase can be versatile, fitting into numerous situations where assurance or persuasion is needed. Understanding phrases like, take my word for it, can significantly improve your English communication skills, making your conversations richer and more authentic. It's a simple yet powerful way to express trust and assurance. We hope this video has helped clarify its usage for you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.